Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zapier automation recipes for e-commerce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Zapier automation recipes for e-commerce, start by visiting the Zapier website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or social media account. Log into your Zapier account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Explore section in the top menu. In the search bar, type e-commerce to find relevant automation recipes. You will see a list of available recipes tailored for e-commerce. Browse through the options and select a recipe that suits your needs. Click on the recipe to view its details and how it works. Take note of any required app connections listed on the recipe page. If you haven't connected those apps yet, follow the prompts to do so. Once you're ready, click the Use This Zap button to start customizing your automation. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up triggers and actions for your specific needs. Customize any parameters necessary, such as products or customer data. When you're satisfied with the setup, click the Test button to ensure everything works correctly. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. You can now go back to your dashboard to see all your active zaps. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up a Zapier automation recipe for your e-commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.